have the very first splash pad in the city of Garland. And this is one of our more exciting projects that a lot of Garland citizens have asked for. Here it is today. Because the community is the one, they're the ones who voted for it. They're the ones who decided to invest in Garland. And we are showing them we're delivering what they asked for. And a splash pad is right up there at the top.
You have to wait for a little bit, and you see a little drop. You have to wait for like another second or something, and then it go whoosh in the outside, and then it go. You spray on it. It feels like so fun.
So we are at Embree Park. We're at 1515 Dairy Road. This is one of our surrounded by one of our older neighborhoods in the city of Garland. Embree Park, we recently completely renovated the recreation center, the Gelfield Recreation Center. We're surrounded with trees and greenery. This is a very natural setting, so we're all very excited about it.
I think it's great for the community, so they could bring their kids together, and it was great for the community to do this for us, to show us some love.
We want to provide families and kids with a place they can come out for free and play. And this is a free splash pad. This is like a water playground, just like any of our other city park playgrounds.